Okay, so now we're looking at something called depreciation. You might not recognize the word, but you might recognize this formula here. It looks a little bit like the compound interest formula. So depreciation is basically something losing value over time. So the compounding effect is still there, but we're no longer calling it interest because obviously interest is increasing. So we've got the same exact formula. The only difference is you might see here, instead of a plus, we've got a minus because obviously we're losing value. It's decreasing. A car cost £15,000 when new. The value of the car decreases at a rate of 12% per year. What is the value of the car after 8 years? You might recognize this. It looks a little bit similar to the compound interest questions in terms of the fact that we've got an initial amount, the 15,000. We've got some kind of percentage rate, so 12% per year, and we've got a time frame, which is 8 years. So you see how we've still got those three same pieces of information. In this case, we're just decreasing the amount, not increasing it. So I'm going to use exactly the same formula, except it's now a minus. So 15,000 times by 1 minus 12% over 100 to the power of 8. And that's what I'll put in my calculator. I'm going to round it to 2 decimal places. If they tell you how to round it, obviously round it that way. But in this case, because it's money, I'll just leave it to 2 decimal places. We've got 5,394.52. It says, what is the value of the car after 8 years? Well, that is just it. It's now at £5,394. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel where I have full videos going into more detail. Link is in my bio.